guys, I will discuss friction today. Now there are four types: static, dynamic, rolling, and fluid. These are the types of friction. Let's start with static friction. Pushing a wall. Now here's a wall. Here's a wall. Now here's a wall. There's a wall over here. It's not heavy, it's light. Air is pushing the wall. So air pushes the wall. And now air is pushing the wall over against. Do you see the picture? You think it's pushing. Now it pushes the wall. It is now thus releasing a friction. Friction is so cool, eh? Now static friction is done. Okay. Now dynamic friction. Sleeping on a wet floor. Now, if a man walks on a wet floor, then our legs be attached. Then our legs be attached here, attached to the slippery water. Now water came out and now it slips you backward. Thus he slips backward. But there are dynamic friction had two problems. Another problem. Now as you jump at the wet floor, which is here, then our legs, then it slips forward, thus we slip on the floor. If you fall backward, you don't know. Now let's go. Rolling friction, riding a bicycle. Now when we ride a bicycle, then now let's see the wheels. Wheels can roll at the road. But on a rough road, the wheels of the bicycle gets crumbled. It goes backward. Now there's an air on the road. There's some air on the road. It gets out on oxygen, which is on underground. Now it crumbles the moving arrows, thus creating a friction. But oxygen trouble the wheel. But on a smooth surface, the bicycle can be normal, but it has less oxygen. And more right outside. And more right outside. And more right outside. And more right outside, okay? Now, but it gets to the lines. So the wheel cannot be troubled. Now the last one, that is fluid friction. Fluid friction means swimming. Now when you swim on your left hand, now when you swim on your right hand, the hand goes to the water. Now it pushes. The hand goes backward like this. That's because backward can be but here at the front it has less air to push it, and more at the back. Why does this happen? Why does this happen? That's because here it has less oxygen to push it. Less oxygen to push. And there's more oxygen here. And there's more oxygen here. Do you see it? Yeah. It goes there on the water and goes forward. I want it now oxygen. Now there's here. As here, the oxygen is near to the pool, but at here, it's far away to the pool. So wind can be blow all the oxygen away. Do you sleep? Okay. Now here, it has less air, it has less wind to blow all the oxygen. So we push our hands backward. Now in the left hand, now there is more oxygen at the front and less here. Now oxygen goes to our hand and push it. But less oxygen means no pushing back forward. Now our hand push backward, but we use a hand that is going forward, and this is going backward. Do you see? Like this. Now, okay, that's enough. Now, this is the swim. Now next one, the dynamic. Now, okay, now. Now for this. Now level 2. Now, now the static station. How does it? Is there the wait? Okay, pushing a wall. Can we use ourselves to push a wall? Yes or no? It is no. You cannot push a wall because it's too heavy. Wait a minute. Okay, let's start. Now the dynamic friction. That is slipping on wet floor. Our skin is soft and the water is also a liquid. Now, can we? It is a smooth liquid, but it is look like a rough texture. Now, it is. Why do we slip on a wet floor? It looks because it is a slippery water. Or now, it is designed like a rough texture. Now which is correct? That's because it is a slippery and peppery water slipping. Now the rolling friction. That is riding a bicycle. Can you fall on a rock surface while driving a bicycle? Yes or no? No, true or false? Which is correct? It is true. You can't fall on a rough surface because the wheel tends to move and shake. That's why we fall down on a rough surface. Now, the last type, that is fluid friction. Swimming. Now we use right hand to swim. Yes or no? It is no. We cannot use that. We cannot wait a minute. Okay, let's repeat. Now, can we use left hand to swim? Yes or no? Which is correct? It is no. We cannot use left hand because you go backward like this. Like this. Okay. Now friction. Now the final friction. How many types are there in friction? 3, 1, 4, or 2? How many there? There are 4. There are 4. Okay, there are 4 types of friction. Now, thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, then you will enjoy. Then you will see on my video. But if you dislike, then you will not watch my video. Now, bye.